M6 automates all phases of your toll processing business using the power of Microsoft's Excel and Visual Basic. Over 1/2 billion users worldwide use this tool. M6 attains the next level of business data processing functionality. This demonstration shows how to receive, process, ship and invoice material from your customers. M6 performs nearly effortlessly, quickly, reliably, and easily to help you run your business with precise control and efficiency. All forms you see here can be changed to match your exact needs, after all they are simply Excel spreadsheets. Watch the red arrows, like this one. They will appear from time to show you where to enter data. Let's start with the receiver form. This is used to record incoming material. ABC Steel Service has delivered material to your plant. We will start here. Click the word receiver on row 5, the red arrow points to it. Enter a valid customer record ID, then press enter. I'll type A. I'll type B. Then click the desired customer from the list. In this example we received a shipment of 3 tags. Using the shipper's bill of lading as the source of information, enter information referencing this receiver in column O. Enter the customer's purchase order number in cell 08. Now enter a carrier in cell 011. Now fill in the tag detail on the receiver form starting on row 26, do not enter a tag number. M6 will generate a tag number upon saving the form. First enter the product code. Type the product description. Type the heat number. Type the thickness, remember to enter the leading decimal point. Then the width. The weight. The 3 tags have identical information except for the last tag's weight. Now I will copy the first line of the form by clicking column 1 on row 26. Note the red arrow. The red arrow in column A shows where to click to duplicate a line. Now I will create a third line by using the duplication feature again. You can see the duplication feature. You can use it to create as many lines as needed. Now I will change the weight of the third tag. Don't forget to save the form. To save, click the Save button on row 1. When the form is saved, tag numbers are assigned automatically, the inventory is automatically updated and receiving tags can be printed. Please note the column heading names on row 25. There you can add or remove up to 40 of these headings to better fit your inventory analysis requirements. After you save the form, you can print this form, or email a copy to your customer automatically. All M6 forms have these features. Click the back button on row 1 to return back to the M6 panel. Note the yellow inventory list box on the right side of M6 reflects the newly added tags. After preparing the receiver, print its receiving tags. These will be attached to each tag or skid. To do this, first, click the Form tab for the new receiver. A drop-down menu will appear with options for this form. Click Print Tags. We recommend using a zebra printer to print inventory tags. Click Print to print the received tags for this receiver automatically. If a tag is damaged or lost, you can reprint it by clicking Single Tag. Click Back to return to M6. Using the customer's purchase order as the information source, I'll click the 2 tags in the yellow inventory list box that the customer indicated to use. Enter a valid part number. If a part number is not available, press the Escape key. The customer's part numbers are automatically listed. Click the part number the customer indicated on the purchase order. The processing order is now shown with the tags that you selected. This area describes the material to be used for this processing order. Using the customer purchase order as the source of information, enter the reference information in this column. I will enter the customer purchase order in cell H6. Enter any other reference information as desired in this area. Note the red arrow pointing to the part specification detail. These tags will be processed or slit to the size and specifications indicated. If the part specifications need to change, edit them here. Also ensure that you have entered a price and unit of measure or code. If necessary, adjust the skid weight field. This is the maximum shipping weight allowed by the customer for the size. Note the size to process these coils. The red arrow now points to the cuts area of this form. I will enter enough cuts to use most of the width if the coil. Note the remaining drop width of each tag is calculated and shown here. Now enter the number of cuts for the drop size. I will enter 1 cut for each tag. Note how M6 automatically computes the remaining width as shown by the red arrow. You can change this and add up to 8 sizes using the columns to the right of this one. M6 calculates the number of tags that will be produced and tag forms to print and place on the produced material. The number of tags are easily changed. In these columns are the theoretical weights and scrap analysis for each tag used. After ensuring everything is OK, press Save. After the processing order has been completed in your plant and the production tags created, the scale weights produced must be entered on the processing order to complete it. Click the Processing Orders Form tab. Click Open in the menu. After this processing order has been completed by your plant, the scale weights of each tag must be entered on this form. Click the yellow Prod button. This will navigate to the production area of this form. Just need to enter the scale weights for each completed tag in the weight column. You can also change any other information for these production tags. After carefully reviewing your entries, click Save to complete this processing order. Note the yellow inventory list box automatically reflects the completed processing order. After completing a processing order, you must invoice the customer for the processing services and print the production tag forms to fix to each tag or skid. In the Pro Order column, find the processing order form number to invoice, then click this Form tab. A menu appears providing options. To invoice for processing charges, click Bill Pro Order. To print production tags, click Print PROD tags. Let's create the invoice. The invoice for the processing services rendered is now shown. Verify the price and unit of measure codes are correct. Change if necessary. Click Save to recalculate the invoice total and add it to your open, unpaid accounts receivable. You can now email or print the invoice. Click the Back button to return to M6. When your customer releases material for shipment, you must create a shipment form. In the yellow inventory list box, click the tags your customer wants to ship. In the drop-down menu, click New Shipment. This shipment form displays the tags you clicked in the yellow inventory list box. Verify that these tags are correct, and if so, click Save on row 1. Saving the form closes its tags. You have just created a shipment form. Note the tags just shipped have been removed from inventory. The M6 toll processing demonstration is complete. Thank you.